Here. I'm gonna put it here. You don't touch it until no. You wait. See, listen to mommy. Listen to mommy. Listen to mommy. You don't touch it until mommy comes back. I know. I don't think she's gonna pass this. You have to wait for mommy to come back. You don't eat it.
Yeah.
Yes? You think you comprehend?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. No. You wait for mommy's gonna go to the bathroom. When mommy comes back, you can eat it. You have to wait for mommy. Okay? That's not a yes. No. Don't touch it. Wait for mommy to come back. Do not touch it. Do not touch it. Okay? Mommy will be back. When mommy comes back, you can eat it. Don't touch it. Wait for mommy. Wait for mommy. Wait for mommy. Okay? You don't eat it. What are you gonna do? Did you touch it? You did. Okay. Did you eat it? You did not eat it. You can eat it now. You wanna share with Ate? Oh, she said she waited for that too long.